Hey everyone, it's Matt here. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I want to dive deep into my experience with the Foldable Forager and share some important warnings you should consider before making a purchase. Trust me, you really don't want to lose your hard-earned money, so stick with me until the end of this review. First and foremost, it's crucial to be cautious about where you buy this product. The Foldable Forager is exclusively sold on the official website, so be wary of third-party sellers that may not provide the same quality or support. To help you out, I've included the official link in both the description and the first comment below. Now let's get into why I love the Foldable Forager. As someone who enjoys hiking and camping, I've always been fascinated by the idea of foraging. This pocket-sized guide has truly been a game changer for me. If you've ever found yourself outdoors, unsure about which plants are safe to eat, this guide is absolutely essential. What sets the Foldable Forager apart is its ultra-compact and lightweight design. It fits easily into your pocket or wallet, making it incredibly convenient to carry around. Say goodbye to bulky foraging books that take up too much space in your backpack. Plus, it's built to last. The durable and waterproof materials mean you can take it with you on all your adventures, regardless of the weather conditions. One of the standout features of this guide is the vivid illustrations. The full-color images provide detailed visuals that make identifying plants, fruits, nuts, and mushrooms incredibly straightforward. This is especially helpful for beginners who might feel overwhelmed when trying to distinguish between edible and non-edible options. The step-by-step tips included guide you through the process of gathering and safely enjoying nature's edibles, ensuring you have a positive foraging experience. In a world dominated by processed foods, the Foldable Forager encourages you to reconnect with nature. It's a fantastic resource for anyone interested in learning more about wild foraging. Whether you're a complete novice or a seasoned forager, this guide has something to offer you. Personally, I've already taken it on multiple trips, and I can't emphasize enough how handy it's been. It's not just about finding food, it's about gaining valuable survival knowledge that enhances your outdoor experiences. If you're looking to expand your skills or simply want a unique and rewarding hobby, I highly recommend grabbing the Foldable Forager before your next adventure. It's perfect for campers, hikers, or anyone curious about the world of wild edibles. Remember to check the link in the description and the first comment to ensure you're purchasing from the official website. That's all I have for today, folks. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. I appreciate your support, and I look forward to sharing more insights with you in the future. Catch you later.